Hello everybody, let's have a look what's going on in the markets today. So for the stock market, extreme fear, and for the crypto market, we are neutral. So looking at the charts for the S&P 500, we gave back the gains from yesterday, so we're back at square one, but the harmonic pattern is still valid. Then gold, nice gain again today, 0.41%, so still in the long position, doing nicely. Then silver versus euro. This one is also going well. So from now I will compare it against the euro. It's quite similar to US dollar, but as I explained before, this one has a nicer setup. Australian dollar versus the Singaporean dollar. So we did find support over here, and now we're going up towards this orange line where our take profit 1 is. Then the dollar strength. So here we are coming down and we are retesting the support line. Euro Hungarian forint, we are down again a bit. So after we did test the resistance from this triangle. The next one is an interesting one. So the S&P 500 compared to gold. So we had the monthly, which was resistance over here. We did break through, find resistance at the golden zone. Did came back and found support. Then we retested it, support, and then last week was again support, or actually, yeah, last week. Yesterday also retest, and what am I saying? Last Friday was also support, and today we're breaking through. So it looks like this one will act as resistance, and which would mean that we are better off in gold compared to the S&P 500. So looking at the Russell 2000, so not much has changed here. So we gave back 0.91%, but the setup is still valid. Oh yeah, there was also the Alibaba trade. This is actually the second time that I'm recording this one, and I deleted everything in the first recording because we did come down, I believe, another 3%, and the harmonic pattern was not a valid one anymore, so that one is closed out. Johnson & Johnson, we keep going down. So I had 3 bearish harmonic patterns, so this is now reduced to 2. So these are still the 2 valid patterns. So for the orange one, this is the maximum we can go down, or we retrace to the 1.27, which would be a bit higher. But I did draw the maximum over here, because if we draw the minimum from the red one, we end up around the same zone. So probably this will be an area where we will find support. So if we have a look here, this is the low from October of last year. So maybe we go for a retest of those lows. And so the red pattern can go down even further and to the 1.618 retracement. So we're gonna see when we get there whether we continue to the downside or we close out the position. So currently still nothing to do. I'm really waiting for the rebounds, if it ever comes, because if you look at the anchored VWAP, we're now below it. So last week it was support, and it looks like it will become resistance now. LQD. So here, yeah, not much to see. PayPal. Okay, this one can also be removed. We had our second take profit, and that was it. I'm completely out of my short. So the harmonic pattern worked out perfectly. So let's see for the indicator. Ah, nicely. We form now a bullish Gartley. Oh well, so maybe now we can take it to the upside. Yeah. Okay. For now, I'm not doing anything. Let's see whether we get some bullish price action. Yeah, we might be. Yeah. OBV has some bullish divergence because here you have a low in the OBV on the 2nd of August, so which is around 271, and we're making a lower low in the price action, and looking at the volume, it's a higher low. So yeah, this can be an interesting one. Probably I'll take that trade. I will have a look tomorrow when the stock market opens what the sentiment will be, and I will keep you informed. XLF, so here are the shorts, and let's zoom in on this one. So look at this retest of this white resistance line, got heavily rejected. This is quite a bearish candle, so this is good for further continuation to the downside. GDX, good. We did find support over here around 28.80, and now we're slowly coming up. Then Shanghai Composite Index, let's have a look here. We did retrace to the 0.618, found support, and we're coming up today. So I didn't take that trade, but it's nice to see how the harmonic pattern is working out. So as I said before, I really like those deep crap patterns. Then Hang Seng, it looks like we formed a double bottom, and this cipher might work out to the upside. The US Treasuries, so here last week take profit 1 got triggered, also today, so here we might look for a bit to the downside and then go up towards take profit 2. Then crude oil, this is also an interesting one. So today 2.61 extra. So here we have the turtle trading strategy. So here are the values in the text field which you can use, and today we have an extra buy signal. So we go leverage 4, or you take 4 trades with this one, that's the maximum. So 1, 2, 3, 4, this will be the last one, and then you ride it out until until you get the exit signal. Let's maybe remove the harmonic pattern indicator and the drawings if it makes it more. No, it doesn't make it more clear, but anyway, so today we got the buy signal. So if you missed it today, the open of the candle for tomorrow is a good moment to step in. Then we have Bitcoin, of course. So for Bitcoin, I also activated a bot which will trade the turtle strategy, And as you can see, now we're flirting with the trigger line. So now, as you can see, it triggers a long signal. So yeah, we're gonna have to see what the price action will be in a couple of hours, and whether the decision will be taken to buy or not. So yeah, that's it for Bitcoin. Nothing special for the rest. Tezos, we got a buy signal 4 days ago, so we're still in profit. And Doge, look at that, finally moving plus 8.50, now 61%. And we will close our short and go long. So we will be in a slight profit. So then the others, so we just discussed Bitcoin. Then we have Ethereum, still not triggering a long signal. Bitcoin Cash, buy signal also 4 days ago and still in profit slightly. And then XRP also buy signal, did retest the trigger line, rejected from it, and we're still above it. So let's have a look. How are we doing? So assets overview, 5,875. So that means we have $875 of profit for the moment. So this one is going nice. All right, good. That was it. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.